Hey there, have you ever felt like weeds are the bane of your gardening existence? They sprout up everywhere, seemingly faster than anything else you plant. But fear not. Today, I've got something exciting for you. We're going to explore 7 crops that grow faster than those pesky weeds, allowing you to outpace them and enjoy a flourishing garden in no time. 1. Radishes. Let's kick things off with radishes. These little root veggies are like speedy garden sprinters. From seed to harvest, they can be ready in just about 3 to 4 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. Radishes are super quick to grow. Plus, they're versatile. Enjoy them fresh in salads or as a crunchy snack. Plant them directly in the soil, give them some water, and watch them race to maturity. 2. Green beans. Next up, we have green beans. These are not only delicious, but also rapid growers. Depending on the variety, green beans can be ready to harvest in as little as 50 to 60 days. That's pretty fast for a vegetable. Plus, they're quite forgiving in different climates and don't require much fuss. Just provide them with support to climb, and they'll reward you with a bountiful harvest. 3. Lettuce. Lettuce is a staple in many gardens. The great thing about lettuce is its speed. Most varieties of lettuce can be harvested in just around 30 days after planting. That means you can be munching on fresh salads in just a few weeks. Lettuce is perfect for beginners and those looking for quick wins in their garden. Plant them in containers or directly in the ground, and you'll have a continuous supply throughout the season. 4. Arugula. If you enjoy a peppery kick in your salads, arugula is your go-to crop. This leafy green grows rapidly and can be ready for harvest in as little as 3 weeks. It's perfect for adding zing to your dishes. Arugula thrives in cooler temperatures, making it ideal for spring and fall planting. Sow the seeds thinly, keep the soil moist, and you'll soon be enjoying this tasty green. 5. Spinach. Spinach is another speedy grower that's packed with nutrients. You can start harvesting tender spinach leaves in about 4 weeks. This cool season crop prefers fertile soil and partial shade in warmer regions. It's versatile too. Use it fresh in salads or sauteed in your favorite dishes. Spinach is a great addition to any garden, especially for those looking for quick turnaround crops. 6. Cress. Now, let's talk about cress. This lesser-known green is a rapid grower, with leaves ready to harvest in just 2 to 3 weeks. Cress has a peppery flavor that adds a punch to salads and sandwiches. It's perfect for growing in small spaces or containers. Try sowing cress seeds every couple of weeks for a continuous harvest throughout the season. 7. Microgreens. Last, but certainly not least, let's delve into microgreens. These are essentially young, edible greens harvested just after the first true leaves appear. The beauty of microgreens is their speed. They can be ready to harvest in as little as 1 to 2 weeks. Plus, they are packed with flavor and nutrients. From radishes to broccoli to mustard greens, there's a wide variety of microgreens to experiment with. Scatter seeds densely on a tray, keep them moist, and watch them grow into nutrient-rich bites. So there you have, it's 7 crops that grow faster than weeds. With these speedy growers in your garden, you can stay ahead of those pesky intruders and enjoy a productive harvest in no time. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these crops are sure to bring you quick gardening success. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and get ready to outpace those weeds with these speedy crops. Happy gardening!